All right, this is another stock that we've taken a look at once or twice before on January 9th. It looks like that was the last time that we took a look at it. Currently trading at 0018. So you've had this run up over here on the 5th and the 6th. Steady, nice little run up. But hey, you're going to pull back here, right? Coming off of the 0006 and hitting a high of 0020. That's big gains. Was that 4 times? Couple 100%. So of course you're gonna have a little bit of a pullback. But look, this is what I like about this. I really like this about this one is because of the fact that when you have a run up like that, sometimes they just slam right back down. But you don't see that with LIGA. It just went sideways, and sometimes when you go sideways like that, it's good. I mean, you got consolidation, churning of the shares right here. Nice consolidation going sideways. It didn't get down to that 10-day simple moving average, but it's starting to work its way back up. Coming off of that low of around the 0013 area, bouncing off of that. So I could go ahead and draw a line right here that's going to hit that top of the close of the 5th, come down, tap that. So that's going to be like a support area as those move up. But right now, you know, I could draw this 10-day simple moving average if this line just basically follows straight up on there. And you know, maybe one more day, but it doesn't look like it's going to want to reach there. It doesn't always reach there either. So LIGA, put this one on a watch slash alert, because if this volume continues, it's gonna make its way back up again. But perfectly normal, like I always say, perfectly normal, perfectly healthy for it to go sideways. At certain points, you know, sometimes if that volume drops off and it just goes sideways, not always a good thing. But when you see after a run up like that go sideways, that's a good thing in my personal opinion, because now it's going to hold those levels a little bit better. 0018 on watch.
Yeah, there's no recent news on it. I mean, the latest one was from January 5th, 2017. It was LIG Assets Incorporated announces new board resolutions and then review of 2016 and plans for 2017. So their key thing was the cancellation and potential issuance of nearly 2.5 billion shares, and then a freeze on authorized share count, and then new management, key debt settlement, no reverse split, and dynamic business plan lead turnaround efforts. So I mean, I would definitely advise anybody that's interested in this company to go and read this actual January 5th press release, because it also said that they let's see, in November they had let's see, assets. All right, so in November 2016, LIG Assets successfully settled a lawsuit with TCA Global Credit Fund that reduced its outstanding debt by over $750,000 with no dilution to shareholders. So previous management agreed to pay over half of the reduced settlement amount, leaving LIGA with only $220,000 in debt to be paid over the next 2 years. The settlement was considered a win for all parties and allows LIGA to move forward aggressively in its new business plan. But then it goes, there's tons of information on this one particular press release, so highly advise anybody to go back and look at that. And that is all I have to offer.
All right, again, that is LIGA. You're following this one, you're interested in it, whatever the case might be, head over to investorshangout.com/live. Check us out and find these stocks way back there when they're at the bottom, when we looked at this one when it first started moving. Because it's not us just finding these stocks. You know, I've got my own little rhythm of looking for stocks, putting stock tickers together. Which ones do I want to go over? And like I said, the biggest part about that is when we first started doing a stream, I would go through that entire list. But now we're getting to the point where people inside the stream bring the tickers. And that's always a good thing, because now we can see what other people are looking at and why. Take a look into the charts and take a look at the basics. And that's what me and Joe do. So like I said, if you're following LIGA, head over to investorshangout.com.